understand some basics, and we know what the hooks are and the states and the components are. Yes, so let's begin to get our hands dirty by first setting up our React environment, and we need to open the terminal for this. So you could just locate the terminal on the navigational pane and then open new terminal, and then you type npm create vite at latest, and then you bring the name of your app, which is mine. I'm going to do it React to-do list. Okay, yeah, and then we wait for it to install. Then we wait for a pop-up, and then you see a pop-up telling you to select a framework. So we select React, and then we select JavaScript, and then a new pop-up is going to show up. So all you have to do is change direct, which is a git command. So change directory, which is the name of your app. In my case, mine is React to-do list. So you type cd space React to-do list, and then you type npm install to install the dependencies. So when the directory is changed, now we are installing the dependencies into the React file folder. My bad, the React folder. Let's quickly brush through again. npm create vite at latest in the name of your folder, and then you select React JavaScript, and now you just have to change directory and install and wait for the packages to install, and then boom, you're done. So now we've installed the dependencies in our to-do list. All you have to do is what? npm run dev. That's the last thing to do. So when you do this, you would be redirected to your Chrome, which is going to display the vite package you just installed. Okay, so if you successfully install this, you should see a vite logo and the local host, which is the port on which vite is hosted.